What's going on, everybody? We got a good one tonight. So we're about to make a Lil Baby type beat. If you're ready for that, let's jump right into this. Alright, for a Lil Baby beat, we're going to put it right around 160 BPMs. And we are going to use an F major for this. I suggest using one of the majors. Alright, so we're going to start off making some little bass notes to play along to here, starting with the 4-bar loop. Okay guys, so we're basically splitting up the notes on every bar. That's going to help us get a rhythm going for our beats. Alright, now we can kind of make our top notes. Alright guys, so you really just need a simple little piano pattern that repeats over and over again and sounds dope. And once you have that, you're pretty set for the first melody. I'm just going to double this one up at the end here. And we're going to go ahead and pick out a piano that's a little more dark sounding, maybe a little more washed out with reverb. Alright, now we're going to find some pad or some kind of lead that's kind of just like a note all the way across, maybe one or two or a couple of little different notes just to give it some background hum to it as well. Alright, I'm going to throw a little cassette on here and try to wash out some of these super highs in this. Alright, let's throw an open hat in this bizatch. Alright guys, so that wraps up this tutorial on how to make a banging Lil Baby type beat. If you liked that video, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we are uploading new tutorials every single day, bruh. But besides that, I'll be catching you in the next one. Peace out.